talk about this other spare air product. This is like on a belt that can be around your chest or around your waist. Has its own pockets for weights, what it makes it very easy to sink rapidly or at the speed that you want. Also has a small gauge right here that it will tell you how much air you have, so underwater. And the coolest feature of this is a very small bottle, right? You're gonna use this just for, like, I don't know, shallow dive. You can use it for going down and clean the boat under, or you got a line tap, or you wanna be snorkeling and swimming maybe a little bit underwater, because it has this cool feature that you can see here, that it goes from snorkel to dive. So you're underwater. Has a very easy clip for your mask, right? So just clip it there. This goes in your mouth. You have the open and close, so you're snorkeling, then you go to diving. So if you're in very shallow water and you want to go under the boat, you just move it, clip it, snorkel, breathe a little bit, find the spot that you want to go and clean, grab your tools, put it to diving, go under a couple of feet, and you're shaking and cleaning all what you have to fix in your boat. You can see in the video here how they're using and how they're turning the valve from snorkeling to diving, and then you can see this couple diving underwater. It's a very easy unit to use. Enjoy. Very easy to breathe, very small. As I say, maybe 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, depends how shallow you are. It's a little bigger bottle than the normal pony bottle, the yellow one that they use. You see, it's a little bigger bottle. But spare air, that's very good products when you don't want to carry all your dive gear to do small jobs underwater. Aloha. Stay salty, my friends. We will review another product from Spare Air next week. Aloha. Have a great day.